Hello everyone. So this task manager that you can see, I created it in just 10 minutes using an AI tool. So you look at this UI, how insanely beautiful this UI is. This is an accurate task manager where you can add your task, just check them if they are completed, visit your active task and completed task. Now all this has been created by AI with a simple prompt. I just asked the AI to create a task manager and this was the result. Now, what is the crazy part? I am going to show you how you can build apps like this and even better application like this with just simple prompts. Now, one thing we all know is that AI is evolving at a lightning speed, and just a few days ago, Alibaba dropped a bombshell in the AI development space, introducing Qwen3 Coder. So, what exactly is Qwen3 Coder? It's a newly released AI coding model by Alibaba launched on August 1st, 25, and it's already shaking up the development community. Qwen3 Coder is the part of Qwen3 family, but this version specifically is laser focused on one thing, which is writing production level code from natural language prompts. Now, here's what makes Qwen3 Coder stands out. It supports 256K context length, which means it can read and understand massive code base. It also uses advanced long horizon reinforcement learning training on real world engineering tasks. It's optimized for agentic workflow, which means it does not just spit code, it reasons, it plans and builds like a junior developer. It is also trained on 70% code ratio with 7.5 trillion tokens, which means it have been provided 70% of the data which was code along with some general mathematics. Now let's understand what this graph says. This is SWA benchmark, which is designed to evaluate the LLMs on the ability to solve real world software engineering tasks. And here you can see the other model. For example, you can see GPT-4 here. The performance of GPT-4 is only 54.6% with more than 1 trillion parameters. And here's our Qwen3. We also have Claude Sonnet, which is known for programming, which is the best model yet for programming. But you can see the performance of Qwen3 and Claude is very similar. But one more thing is that Claude has been trained on more training data. One more thing about Qwen3 Coder is that it is totally open source, which means you can use it locally or on a cloud. You can also visit platforms like Together and you can use it there. So we are going to use Qwen3 Coder locally in our machine, and I'm going to show you how you can set up Ollama. We are going to use Ollama to set up Qwen3 model in our local machine. Now I will just show you how you can simply set up Ollama. Just Google Ollama download and you will be able to visit this link where you can choose your operating system, whether it is a Mac OS, Linux or Windows. If it is the Windows, it will automatically detect it and you simply have to just click on download for Windows. The download will start and you simply have to run this .exe file and Ollama will be installed. You have to do nothing else. I already have Ollama installed. That's why I just cancelled the download. You have to do nothing, absolutely nothing. It will just start installing as soon as you click on that exe file. Now, once you have downloaded Ollama, it will look like this. A simple UI is there where you can just select the model and just write prompts. Now, you can see that you have the option for multiple models and whichever model you select, if it is downloaded, it will start using it. If it is not, it will first download and then it will start using it. But we will be using command shell so that you will understand everything properly. So I will close this and here you can see the simple command is given to install Qwen3 Coder. But one thing that you need to know is that if you do not have a good system with more than 16 gigabits of RAM and good GPU, this Qwen3 Coder will not be able to run in your machine because it requires at least minimum 16 GBs of RAM and a good graphics. So what I will show you how you can set up a compressed model. Now, if you have good CPU, simply copy this command and just go to the command prompt and here just test Ollama list. It will show you what are the available models. You can see I have 3 models with this size. So this is the 18 gigabits model, which is this one. Sorry about that. Which is this one. This is the 18 gigabits of model Qwen3 Coder. And then I have the DeepSeek model, which is 5.2 gigabytes. And then this is another model, which I'm going to show you. This is the compressed model of Qwen3. Now, if you need to install the Qwen3 Coder, directly copy this command. And once you copy this, you can simply visit your command prompt and then paste it and execute it. It will start executing, but you can see here I am getting an error because 16.3 gigabits of memory is required. The system memory is required. I only have 12.2 gigabits available. That means I cannot run this model. It is already present in my machine, but I can not simply run it because of the size. So once you run it, if the machine is good, it will start installing. But if you do not have more than this memory, more than this system memory, it will not work. So for that, we are going to use a compressed model. So for that, we just have to visit Google and just type Qwen3 Coder Unsloth. Now this is a Hugging Face platform where you can visit, and just you have the Qwen3 Coder 30 billion A3B, and just visit the files and versions, and there you will find multiple versions there. So whichever version you want, you can simply download it. I have used the model which is 13.3 GBs Q3K. Now if you have like 10 GBs or 12 GBs of RAM, this one will work fine. But if you have 8 GBs, it will still be installed in your machine. It will still work, but it will slow down your machine. So the code will run very slow. So if you have a lesser computation, then you can go for smaller model like this one, the Qwen model, or even like this one. But I have used this one, so just visit this. Or sorry, not K 13.3 GB, this one. All right, so to install this model, you simply need to copy this first. Once it is copied, simply visit your command prompt once again. And once you are on your command prompt, you just have to write Ollama run, then hf.co, and then just paste this unsloth Qwen3 Coder 30 billion A3B instruct gguf, and then just add this colon, use ud, the model is Q3, then simply use _k _xl. This is the command you have to use. Simply use this command, press enter. Right, so I have used Ollama. I just need to use double L instead of double A. Then I can press enter. Right, so right now it is saying that it requires a little bit more of memory. So what I will do is I will just simply close some of the machines. And once done with that, I will run the command again. And you can see it has started running. Now for you, it will start firstly downloading the 13 GBs of model. And once the download is completed, you will be able to use the model. Now after you execute this command, the compressed Qwen3 Coder model will be installed in your machine. And now you can see send a message, which means we can directly use Qwen3 Coder here. So I will use write me code to create web page which serves as a task manager. So this is the simple prompt I have used, and I can simply click enter, and now it has started writing me the code. Now it is going to take a little time depending on my computation, and if my system is fast, it will write the code faster. If it is slow, it will take a little more time, but it will get the job done for you. So here I will pause the video, and once the code is written completely, I will show you what output Qwen3 Coder has given me. Now you can see that it has written the complete code here. It says I'll create a complete functional task manager web application with all the essential features in a single HTML file. Here's the HTML code. It's a single HTML file which will serve as the UI, and you can see the CSS is done, the HTML is written, and if requires, some script is also written. The JavaScript is also written. It has also mentioned that what are the features of this task manager, and you can read about it here. Now what you have to do is just simply copy this code from here and just paste it on your, if you have notebook, you can paste it on notebook, or if you have a code editor, you can paste it simply there. So I will copy it and paste it on my code editor. So simply copy it from here, visit your code editor. So here you can see I simply created the HTML index.html file and pasted the code given to me by Qwen3 Coder. And now what I have to do is simply either close this and then run the file that it has given. The HTML file will be in a browser supported file. Or if you know something about VS Code, you can simply go to the open live server and it will start serving the application live. So I'll wait for a moment. And you can see it has started serving the application, and here is my task manager. Now I can create a task that I have to just do my homework, and I added a task and it's a task. I can check it, the task is completed and it's in the completed list, not in the active task list. So this is how you can create crazy applications with the help of AI and some revolutionizing LLMs like Qwen3 Coder. So that's all in this video. I hope you understand everything about Qwen3 Coder completely. So try it by yourself, explore Qwen3 Coder and its capabilities. So that's all in this video. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe.